It's sport and fun together. We are crazy. I wanted not really, but it is. But I have perfect thing.
Oh no, so ja, it's come to.
Getting team is perfect. Really, they work really perfect. Make a good job. We have no problems, and so we hope it is so in the next days. When I'm in the handbike, everything is okay. Outside, I'm a little bit tired already, but I think in the next 10 hours, I'm sure I will sleep 1-2 hours, and then it will be okay.
Short, strong hills and a little dangerous. The last downhill, the asphalt is with wet and from the rain, and but I feel good, and I'm here and now I have a rest. That's good. See us. Bye. Good night.